knocks me off my feet. I finally found the one that makes me feel complete.
It started over coffee. We started out as friends. It's funny how from simple things the best things begin.
This time it's different. It's all because of you. It's better than it's ever been, 'cause we can talk it through.
My favorite line was, "Can I call you sometime?" It's all you had to say
to take my breath away. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night. 'Cause whatever I do, it's just got to be you. My life has just begun. I finally found someone. I finally found someone. Did I keep you waiting? I apologize.
Baby, that's fine.
I will wait forever just to know you were mine. You know I love your hair.
Sure, it looks right.
I love what you wear.
Isn't it too tight?
But you're exceptional. I can't wait for the rest of my life. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night. 'Cause whatever I do, it's just got to be you. Oh, yeah. My life has just begun. I finally found someone. And whatever. What if I never knew? What if I never found you? I'd never have this feeling in my heart. How did this come to be? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart, I knew, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul, I give my love to have and hold. And as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny. I wanted someone like you, someone that I could hold on to and give my love until the end of time. Oh, but forever was just a word, something I'd only heard about. But now you're always there for me. When you say forever, I believe, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul, I give my love to have and hold. And as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny.
my best. I know it's a promise that I was supposed to make it yesterday, but I was kind of late, but I hope it's never too late. Here we go. Mayroon ako nais malaman, maaari bang matanong, alam mo bang matagal na kitang iniibig, matagal na kong naghihintay, ngunit mayroon ka ng ibang minamahal, kung kaya't ako'y di mo napapansin. Ngunit ganun pa man, nais kong malaman mo, ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nadurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako.